NFW welcomes you to the world of echolocation, a natural sonar used by creatures of the night. Picture this, a bat fluttering in the darkness, relying not on sight but sound. It emits high-frequency calls that bounce off objects. It's not magic, it's science. These calls create echoes, painting an auditory picture of the bat's surroundings. Imagine seeing with sound a world illuminated by echoes. It's how bats navigate the night, hunt their prey, and thrive in total darkness. Echolocation, a marvel of nature, a testament to the ingenuity of life and proof that vision isn't always about sight. Thank you for joining us in this quick journey into the sonic world of bats. Until next time, like, subscribe and comment below.